Daniel Markovitz argued on the inherent problems of to-do lists 5 years ago. He pointed out that to-do lists often overwhelm people with choices. The tendency is to select tasks that you can easily accomplish. This naturally results in deprioritizing important but not urgent tasks, affecting workers' productivity. Moreover, to-do lists lack the essential context of time and commitment, which inhibit efficiency. Mark Zhao Sanders has since adopted the time-boxing approach, which embeds the to-do lists into the calendar by allocating specific time slots for each task. His productivity has doubled ever since, and he shares 5 benefits of time-boxing with us. 1. Relative positioning of work. Jotting down a task in your to-do list does not describe the urgency or required amount of time to accomplish it. On the other hand, time-boxing enables relative positioning of work. When you have a pending output for a promotional video by Tuesday and the team needs 72 hours to work on your copy edits, you know where to place the time box. It elicits insightful prioritization, where the right things are done at the right time. 2. Collaborating with teams. Inputting one's tasks and priorities in a calendar creates a channel for teams to communicate more effectively. Using time-boxing and shared calendars pave the way for better team collaboration. Unlocking transparency over each team member's schedules and tasks allows colleagues to more easily collaborate on mutually free time slots without disturbing one's flow. 3. Comprehensive recording. The beauty of having all schedules and tasks in the calendar is its ability to develop a comprehensive recording of a person's daily activity. This becomes particularly handy for performance reviews and reporting of accomplishments. Time-boxing provides a visual journal of all tasks and appointments. It also serves as a graphical tool, showcasing the upcoming weeks and months ahead, making it easier to plan onward. 4. Feeling more in control. The time-boxing method also cultivates a sense of control for each worker. You decide what to do and when to do it. Having the autonomy to craft your calendar also gives you the power to block out time for critical work and prevent constant disruptions. Artists can prohibit any meetings on Fridays to allocate time to achieve uninterrupted creative flow. The authority to decide creates an empowered and happy environment for workers to flourish. 5. Being more productive. Taking control of your schedule also opens doors for improvements and increased productivity. Parkinson's law claims that people often spend more time on a task if excessive time is available. A worker who can complete a report in an hour will likely spend more time if the allocated time is 2 or more hours. Disciplined time-boxing breaks us free from this tendency as we impose a reasonable and finite time and truly stick to it. It improves time management skills and increases productivity. Time-boxing not only serves as an elevated form of a to-do list, it builds personal productivity by allowing you to take hold of your schedules through careful planning and discernment. Collectively, teams also increase productivity with greater transparency and collaboration. This simple tool unlocks many benefits in its straightforward and insightful manner. How will you use time-boxing to elevate your team's productivity?